It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
If a company's been around for 35 years, it's a company you can trust because you know they're doing something right. Sean Johnson, co-founder of Approved Home Pros, is here with some gifts to celebrate 35 years of Reborn cabinets. So gifts, everybody loves gifts.
Yeah, everybody loves gifts, and we have gifts for everybody out there.
Okay, so that's terrific. So we're going to get to those in just a moment, but we'll talk about 35 years is no small feat for any company. So what makes them stand out?
Well, there's several things you have to be doing right to stay in business for 35 years. So when we were first in the approval process with Reborn Cabinets, the first thing I heard about was the Vinny principle. And I said, okay, who's Vinny?
Yeah, who is Vinny?
Vinny's the founder of the company. 35 years ago, he started the company with basically nothing, a table saw, and I think he had $350. But he decided to treat every home as if it was his own. And that's the culture of the company since then, is to treat people that way and the homes that way. So the quality construction they have, the customer service is amazing. The construction at their factory in Orange County is also just top flight.
And then the educational component, because that's huge.
Yeah, they do regular seminars. We partner with them for the Learn from the Pros events. And they educate people on how to be an informed shopper for remodeling, because they know an informed shopper is very likely to choose Reborn. So they teach everybody everything they can.
Oh, and they make it a lot of fun. There's so many good elements to it, food and all these other things too. Okay, so celebrating 35 years then, we're talking about gifts. How does this work?
Well, what we're doing is everybody gets a free gift certificate for Reborn Cabinets, a $500 gift certificate. So all you have to do is go on to approvedhomepros.com/reborn to get your gift certificate. But then, when you bring it into the showroom, you can be an instant cash winner. So there's prizes, a bunch of $350 prizes, $100 prizes, a lot of instant winner cash prizes.
Okay, so and when you say a lot, it really truly is a lot, because a lot of people think you have a better chance of getting struck by lightning than winning a prize.
Oh, no, there's a large number of cash prizes. It's very high likelihood of people winning.
And then this goes on then, not just now, but it goes on through the end of the year?
Through the end of the year, yeah. We want them to celebrate the 35th anniversary all year long, so we're doing this promotion throughout the end of the year. But go on right away, though. Get your certificate right away.
And go in the showroom. Wait till you see it. It's amazing.
Oh, it's a beautiful showroom, absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Sean. Log on to approvedhomepros.com/reborn or stop by the showroom today to get your free $500 gift certificate.